All right, I'm going to talk through a new resource that we're going to use called RStudio Cloud. In the past, we've used RStudio, but it's been an application that's on our computer, so it hasn't allowed us really to work too well as a group because you can't share things easily and edit things easily. But this resource will look exactly like the RStudio we've been using, but it's online. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you get to this link is log in, and it's great. You can use Google, so we'll use our Rivers email. So when you get to the site, it's going to pop up with projects, learn at the top. What you're going to want to do, one person in each group is going to set up a workspace, okay? And so you'll click on workspace at the top here and a new space. So you can call this one Hockey Analytics Project, and you can say really whatever you want in this space. Hockey Analytics Project. You can just write the same thing. That doesn't really matter. Why this is great is because we can add members to this project. Okay, so when you go to this, you'll just hit add member and then type in the email addresses of those people that you want to add. There's different options for what you want those people to be. Just make them a contributor. That's going to be the easiest one. That will get you set up so that you have a workspace that you can then collaborate on. When you're back into this project part of your workspace, you're going to add a new project, and this is when you're going to see RStudio that you're familiar with pop up. So this is the familiar RStudio that you've all worked with before, and just type Hockey Analytics Project. Obviously, you don't have to name it the exact same thing I am. I'm just sort of putting in anything just to make this video. Once you're on this screen, this is where you're going to need to start loading in different data sets and different activities, and we'll cover that in a future video. But this is how you get to your RStudio. And then once you're back in here, every time you log on, you can just pull this right up, and it'll go exactly back to where you were before. So that's getting set up on RStudio Cloud, and we'll do much more to make sure that we can actually use this to create some pretty amazing visualizations and do some great statistical work.